Hello, how you doing? Going to cook some rice today. As you can see, we've got a beautiful color on it. We've got some lovely spices in it. It's fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So just here I've got our rice. I've got 3 cups of rice there. That's a basmati rice. And then we've got some lovely spices here. Now I'm using individual spices, but you can buy this in a packet of biryani, whole garam masala mix. So you might better use that if you want. But what I've got here is 1 star anise, 4 green cardamons, couple of bay leaves, teaspoon of cumin seeds, couple of dried red chilies, teaspoon of black peppercorns, and about the same of cloves. If you want, you could be adding some cinnamon stick in here and a few other bits if you wanted. Teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of turmeric. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wash the rice through in cold water 2 or 3 times, and then we're going to get that into the pot. Now we've got 3 cups here, so we're going to go 6 cups of water, so double the amount of water to the rice. Okay, so I've washed that a couple of times, rinsed it out, and gone double water to rice. Then we're going to add salt, the turmeric, the bay and the cumin seeds, the star anise and the green cardamom pods, the dried red chili, the cloves, and the black peppercorns. Okay, so what we're going to do is bring that to a boil. Once it gets to a boil, I'm going to just lower the heat down a little bit to a medium. It's on quite high at the moment. I'm going to stick a lid on. That's it. Perfect. Be about 8 minutes, I think. Okay, there we go. So off goes the heat. You can see through the glass there that the water has absorbed into the rice. Let's take a look. And there you go. Beautiful. We've got some really, really nice, fragrant rice ready to serve. And there it is. Light, fluffy, with a lovely, lovely flavor. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.